This steam air fryer oven solves three main issues many of you have with air fryers. First is the dry texture of paneer or chicken. Second, overcooked food on the outside and undercooked on the inside. And third is the fear of Teflon coating. But is it just a glorified air fryer or an OTG? Let's find out in this video. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that Killig gave me access to the product to test. But like always, the review, the pros and the cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. Let's start with the first problem. Dry texture of fresh foods. Air fryers are great for certain types of dishes. But when it comes to fresh foods like vegetables, paneer or chicken, they suck out the moisture before the crust forms over it. That is where a steam air fryer oven helps. This Killig Nexa SteamX air fryer oven combines air frying with steaming. That is, it injects active steam while it is air frying. The 1550 watt air fryer with a 900 watt steam engine helps to retain the moisture of the food while cooking it well and maintaining the texture. It has two options for steaming. First is the combo option, which is air frying and steaming together, which is useful for foods like grilled vegetables, paneer, chicken or crispy momos, where you need it tender on the inside and crisp on the outside. The second is a steaming only option, when you need to cook dishes like idlis, dhoklas, momos and so on. Another key issue with air fryers is that the food gets burnt or overcooked on the outside but stays undercooked on the inside. This is because some foods require separate times and temperatures for cooking the inside and the outside. Let's say 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes to cook the inside and 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes to get perfect crisp finish. This has to be manually controlled in regular air fryers. With the Killig Nexa SteamX air fryer oven and its step chef mode that can be enabled on the MyKillig app, we can set multiple step cooking and stay hands-free till the cooking is complete. That is, set the first step as 180 degrees for 8 minutes for cooking the inside and next step as 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes for crisping and so on. No flipping midway, no changing temperatures midway as well. Now many of you are also concerned about the Teflon coating in air fryers, which are generally problematic when either they get scratched or when they are used at very high temperatures beyond what air fryers support. This Killig air fryer oven uses galvanized steel for the inside chamber. All the accessories are stainless steel. The bottom tray, while not stainless steel, uses an organic toxin-free coating. So it is easy to maintain unlike non-stick. You can use metal tongs and you can wipe it without issues. In addition, with the self-cleaning features within the oven, regular cleaning becomes quite simple. Let's talk about the build of this air fryer. This Killig Nexa SteamX air fryer oven is a 10.5 liter air fryer oven, so it will require permanent countertop space. You will need to refill the 1.15 liter water tank when using the steam functions. A full tank lasts about 60 minutes of steaming. It also has a dedicated wastewater tank that collects condensed steam, which you will also need to clear out regularly when the steam functions are used. It has 4 key modes of operation: steam only, air fry only, combo, which is steam and air fry, and the dehydrate, and multiple preset functions within each of these modes of operation to help you get started with ease. Being a 10.5 liter air fryer oven, it allows 3 levels of cooking, so you can cook multiple dishes in one go. Of course, they all need to have the same time and temperature settings for cooking. You can operate this air fryer using the MyKillig app. In addition to common features like operating the air fryer remotely and having a catalog of recipes, this Killig air fryer oven can save settings of recipes that you have perfected in the past. So when is this Killig Nexa SteamX air fryer oven right for you? 1. If you cook a lot of fresh foods like paneer, chicken, fish and want to retain the texture of your food. 2. You cook in larger quantities than a regular air fryer supports. 3. You cook multiple types of dishes in one single shot. 4. You want to eliminate Teflon from your cooking. And 5. You want more control over cooking, different temperature and time settings for the same dish. This steam air fryer oven is a versatile kitchen appliance which steams, air fries and dehydrates. It is from the brand Killig. I recently also reviewed their glass air fryer if you're looking for a more compact air fryer solution. You can watch the review video that I've linked here. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.